Guys, good morning. It's the 18th of August 2025. This is Bull Chart weekly time frame. So let's see what we have for gold this week. Yeah, gold is still stuck in this range which we had since let's see, the range started out since April. Right, we've been in this range since April. So we've been in this range since April, May, June, July, and we're in August now for 5 months. Been in a single range for 5 months. No clear direction, nothing. It's just up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Yeah. But what we've been doing that we've seen clearly is whenever we get into the high, right, whenever we get into premium, we sell down to discount, buy back to premium, sell down to discount, buy back to premium. Currently, we're in premium, we're looking to sell down back into discount, right? Then we sell down back into the discount, we look to buy up again into what? Into premium. Alright, so that's what price has been doing. Yeah. But what else did we notice from this? Well, currently, what I'm seeing now is this here. Price tapped into this level. Right? Price tapped into this level here, which is a very significant level, and it's giving us a reaction. But does that mean I'm just going to start buying? No, because we haven't quite gotten into discount yet. Now have we? No. So I wouldn't be buying immediately, right? Because it doesn't really fill me with confidence. But on daily time frame, we've actually come into a daily order block right here. Right, so we're bouncing off that daily order block and got this big rejection. Now, does this rejection tell me I'm going to start buying? No, it just tells me we're going to continue back to the order flow, right? Because look at this, look at what's happening here. What did we have? We have what? Sweep of liquidity, break of structure, tapped into this, come back down again. So what is basically going to tap into this to continue down again. So like I said before, I wouldn't be doing anything till I get into at this equilibrium or below, right? I wouldn't be looking for any buys. So what I'm just anticipating is for us price to do this and come back down, creating us on that bearish leg. Right, on the daily now, what do we have? We have price, right? Although it was reacting all this, we have price doing what? We have price coming off this level, right? We have price coming off this level right here. So some people call it resistance, some say it's key level, whichever name you want to give it. Some people call it weak supply, right? The ideology, just know what you are looking at. Yeah, fancy names don't really matter. Some call it long weak supply, hidden supply, and all of that. So whichever name suits you, tickles your fancy, use it by all means. Yeah, so we've come into, let's use supply. Alright, come to supply. Now I'm just expecting the price to continue pushing down. I'm just expecting the price to continue pushing down at least into discounted prices. So let's see what the 4 hour has for us. I've gotten into those levels. Now on the 4 hour we have a very clean range, right? Remember I said this is how we expect the range to start. A range has to start with what? Sweep of liquidity, break of structure, and it ends with what? Sweep of liquidity, break of structure. Right, then we have a complete range. Then I'll just look to sell for more from, sorry about that guys, I'll just need to sell for more from premium pricing, right? We just anticipate for price to come into premium, right? Price come to premium, create a new beginning of a range, then we just sell again. Yeah, so that's what we're anticipating. So now we have a very clear higher time frame range, a very clear one. Right, now the thing is this. Yeah, the thing is this. What are other traders doing? We have to pay attention to that. Now a whole lot of traders, they want to buy gold currently. Everybody wants to buy gold currently. Right? Why? Because they are seeing this level here, the breaker block. Right? So they are like, this breaker block is unmitigated, so they want to buy from this level. Right? So now what they will be seeing, right, what everybody now will be seeing is this. Everybody's seeing this. They've seen what? They've seen sweep of liquidity, break of structure occurring at what? A key level. Right? A key level. So they now want to do what? They now want to buy it. right? Probably to take out these highs and go for all-time high and all of that. But I'm seeing something different. Yeah, we haven't gotten back into discounted pricing. Like we're still in premium pricing. So far this is still here, right? These buys for me are just basically like traps, right? Unless proven otherwise. And what would the proven otherwise be? I want to see something like this. After we've had this sweep of liquidity and this breakout, I want to like still a higher time frame inducement. Yeah, like 4 hour inducement, which then confirmed to daily rejecting, right? Then I'll be happily taking the trades like this. But anything besides this, I'm not interested, right? I'm still interested in what induce sells, right? So I'm now seeing this level as well as the target. Right? I'm seeing this level as a target. Right? So we have this supply, we have price rejecting of the supply. We have this as our target, right? Our last week sales on gold, which we had from here, it played out, but we got stopped out. So it is what it is. Yeah. So what do we have here now? We have what inducement, which have been swept. Now the question is, why is this inducement? Well, basically we had price coming to order flow, push down. A whole lot of people were looking to take sales around here, right? So like the 30-minute order flow, let's go down 30-minute. Had very clean 30-minute order flow, right? Here you can see it. So a whole lot of people that want to sell here. So all of that was not used as a trap, right? Pushing higher. So yeah, that is that. Let's go back to the 4 hour. Let's finish up what we're doing. Yes, on the 4 hour, we've gotten that rejection. Let's follow the order flow. Yeah, mitigation. This was the last mitigation to happen. Yeah, that was the last mitigation to happen. So now we're just expecting price to go lower from here. If price takes out this level, then we know that yes, the range has been invalidated. Yeah, so let's see. Sorry about that. So we have what shape of liquidity right here. Then we have the break of structure right here. Alright, so let's see. That's one. I don't have anything clear for us. Nothing very clear. I mean, we have this as still inducement. Yeah. So basically, this is kind of like perfectly equal highs, right? Perfectly equal highs. Let me remove this. We already know all of this is like that daily zone. Yeah, so I'll be removing all of this. No longer important at the moment. Yeah. And we know all of that level like that daily zone, which we're rejecting off of, which is still cool. Yeah, so we'll see this as equal highs at this moment. That's what I'm seeing it as. Yeah, so I want to see price take this out and drop. And there's only one POI after this inducement, which is this. Right, that right. So I'm very I like that zone. Right, so what is the break of structure here? Right, so yeah, I like what I'm seeing. So I might just place my trade. Please do not take this as financial advice. I'll be taking a trade from here. Not might. I'll be taking a trade from here. Right, gold sales from here to target the downside. So this is what I'll be having. Gold sells from this level here to target the downside. Now the thing is this, yeah, there are two risks I stand. What are they? One is I might miss it. Yeah, price might just do this, strip the liquidity and drop. So the second price takes out that liquidity. I'll be on the chart to look at, okay, what is price showing me, what I want to do. Yeah, that's the first risk. Second risk I stand is price now using this level here as a liquidity. So now I want to come back up into probably like this level here, right? Before the drop. So those are two risks I stand. Yeah, so how do I avoid these risks? How do I avoid this risk? This is how. First method is, okay, maybe I place my entry here and then protect this high over here, right? Although on the 30 minute, money has already been transferred from this high to this level here. So this level is actually protected. I just want to put my stops behind the protected high. So yeah, my stops will be behind this week. Right, my stops will be behind this week. Right here. So you're like 5 points on 55 pip stop. And this is gold. So yeah, I'm using like 55 pip stop. Well above my rules. So 550 points, 55 pip stop for this would be my targets down here. Right, this is one approach that I could use. Second approach is I enter on the inducement. Enter on the inducement, put my stops above this high, right? That would be my second approach. Then I don't really have like a third approach, right? So these are my two major approaches I'm going to be using for this. Yeah, so yeah, this is what I have for gold for today. And this is what I have for gold for today. Still have like targets all the way down here, right? Into equilibrium. So that's that, right? So I'll be taking this on gold.